Hiya. Long time no speak. Obviously, I haven't done a video in a while, but I thought I would share this with you. Yes, as you can see, I've got a big package behind me. Forgotten what I was going to say now. I really should use a script here. So I'm going to be doing one of those unboxing videos. So it worked, which get a lot of likes on YouTube. So hopefully this will be good. It worked for James May, so I'm sure it will work for me. So, and this is the box. As you can see, it's very long and very narrow. So if you haven't guessed already, it is actually a mountain bike, which will go shortly. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put this back down, and hopefully you can see everything of what I'm doing. Let's just make sure that you can see. You see that? Yep. Right, let's see if I can get this baby open. So it looks like there's staples. Ow, that hurt. I think this is going to be fairly straightforward. Yep. So that's the one side. Oh, look at it, you can see the beauty already. Ah, that's the front. So just get your back. Just look at that in there. Nice big fat top. I'll tell you what. So it's actually a Victor Senator VR. I think that's how you say it. I probably butchered it. It's cost me a little bit of money, I must admit, but the reason I wanted to do was get back into the mountain biking, and my 9-year-old Rockhopper is not really up to scratch for the trail. So basically I wanted something that was a little bit more robust, something I could have a bit more fun on. Okay, let me get the rest, so we get the rest of the box open. So we've opened that side. I think you just pull both sides and then it will just flap down. So, hopefully, nice big fat tyre there as well. Oh, getting caught on the staples there. So the reason, obviously, I wanted to get back into mountain biking, the mountain biking stuff. Some of you know that I've done it a little bit before in the past, but I wanted to this was sort of take it to the next level, just to another hobby really. So this bike, you can only get it online. Chain Reaction Cycles, and it took me a couple of attempts to order the bike. Basically, it's not. It's very difficult to get hold of a good bike at the moment because of the current situation. But and obviously, a lot of people want to be outside, and obviously they buy bikes. So it's a case of high demand, limited supply. So it was a bit difficult getting this. So I think I probably would have liked to have got it about a month ago. Get in there. I'm hoping it won't take much longer. Right, so the big reveal. So hopefully flop down now. There we go. Oh, very nice. Just get it a bit closer. So it's a 27.5, so 27.5 inch tyre. I think it's 2.6, so it's a very chunky tyre. My the rock hopper I had, the tyres had nowhere near this level of tread on them. So I'm hoping that this is going to be a lot nicer to ride. Obviously, the rock hopper was a bit more of a universal bike for the road. I'm still planning to keep the rock hopper. But anyway, just move that out of the way. What's in here? Owner's guides. All the nice little bits and bobs. I believe some nice valves for the tubeless. Tubeless ready. So this bike is tubeless ready. It doesn't come with any pedals, so we'll have to transfer the pedals. I prefer flats because even though I do like biking, I'm probably not the most comfortable on my feet. Maybe once I get a little bit better with time. Let's just take it out. Just feels a bit big, doesn't it? I'm sure that does come down. I know it does. I think I'm sort of near the bottom end of the range for this bike size. Sort of digging anywhere now. Oh, I'm getting in your way. One of those staples. Oh, what's this? There we go. I know there are pedals. Oh, and a toolkit as well. That's pretty cool, actually. Nice little toolkit, flats, and a nice little spanner to put them on. I do have some tools in the shed. Yeah, stay in there. Right, let's get the rest of this off. Not sure how much you can see. I'll bend it up a little bit. Yeah, it's definitely a lot chunkier than I thought. The reason I went with Victus and this bike, it got very good reviews and it had a decent spec level for the bike range. So some of the other bikes I was looking at was the Fuse, which I was never really going to get, the Marin San Quentin 2. I was not far off getting a Roscoe, Trek Roscoe that is. I wasn't really keen on that though, so when this, so as I said, I got this at like third time of asking, I think. So I was glad when it came up. I think it was on sale. I think it'd only been back in stock for 20 minutes by the time I got that. So I think Oh no, still got them on the fork. The fork is it's not a RockShox. It's it's called it sounds like something Italian. Mascaroni. There it. Oh. Chili Bomber, I think it's called. Apparently it's a very, very good fork, which is what you want on a good hardtail. Just that. I hope this is coming out well, by the way. There we go, one-sided fork. See, Bomber. I think. Let's get the other one. So, just a bit of back, just as well as the forks. I think it's got a Shamo. Nearly dropped. I dropped it then. Good thing it just missed. Nearly hit the laptop. So as I said, 27.5 inch. I think it's 2.6. It's got a Dior 112. Oh, I've still got to take off that, by the way. Oh, I might need a pencil for that. It's got a dropper post. This is going to have to be set near the bottom because I think this is actually quite big for me. It's at the top end where I'm probably near the bottom end. So I'm going to stop the video here now, and hopefully the next time I join you on this rest of the video, hopefully I've actually finished putting the bike together and actually taken it out for a bit of a whirl. Stay tuned. Left to switch it off.